Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 won't hold a charge, you may be experiencing one of the most common issues with this model. This problem often arises due to a failing battery or internal components that have worn out over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to decreased performance and ultimately render your vacuum unusable. To resolve this, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery, and possibly some tweezers. First, make sure your Dyson V8 is unplugged and turned off. Begin by removing the dustbin and the filter. Next, look for the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these, remembering to keep them safe. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the casing with your flathead screwdriver, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. With the casing open, locate the battery. It's usually secured with a couple of screws as well. Unscrew these and disconnect the battery by gently pulling the connector away. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your replacement battery and connect it in the same way the old one was removed. Ensure it's securely attached, then re-screw it into place. After that, carefully close the casing, aligning any clips as you go. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to ensure everything is tightly secured. Finally, reattach the dustbin and filter. Power on your Dyson V8 to verify that it now holds a charge correctly. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filter and dustbin, and avoid overcharging the device. Keeping your vacuum in a cool, dry place can also help prolong the battery's life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.